Looking to download your insights once you completed your analysis in Julius? We're going to walk through a few ways to export your data. Let's go through how to download a CSV in Threads first. First, let's upload the dataset we want to analyze and ask Julius to pull insights. Once the analysis is complete, you can go to one of the blocks where you see export and download your data as a CSV or Excel file. You can even export your data directly into your Google Drive as either a CSV or a Google Sheet. Now let's go over to notebooks. Similar to Threads, you can ask Julius to download the file through either a prompt cell or even a user input cell. When it comes to a user input cell, you let the end user put in any type of file format they want the data downloaded in, whether it's PDF, CSV, or an Excel file. Do you want to give it a try with your team? Sign up for Julius today and let us know how you like it. And if you have any other feature requests, let us know in the comments below.